I'm Rachel from Slipstick, and I'm going to show you the best felt sliders on the market, Slipstick's Gorilla Swivel Felt. This packet of 1 inch or 25mm swivel felt comes with 8 in the pack for 2 chairs. They're also available in a swivel without the felt for carpet and tiled floors. The premium wool-blended felt is super thick and dense for long life and is smooth and quiet on hard floors. The swivel feet are designed for angled legs that are not flush with the floor, where uneven pressure points can leave dents and scratches. To install, we recommend pre-drilling to avoid splitting. Then screw ball into place and pop on the felt cap. You will hear a click when it snaps on. These simple instructions are located on the back of the packet. They are also perfect for chairs and any angled legs up to 20 degrees. All Slipstick Swivel Felt is backed by a 1-year warranty. Find more great Slipstick solutions right here on our website.